Death or Freedom, the Chechen National Anthem. We were born at night, when the she-wolf whelped. In the morning, as lions howl, we were given our names. In eagles' nests our mothers nursed us. To tame a stallion, our fathers taught us. We were devoted to our mothers, to people and the native land, and if they will need us, we'll respond courageously. We grew up free, together with the mountain eagles. Difficulties and obstacles we overcame with dignity. Granite rocks will sooner fuse like lead than we lose our nobility in life and struggle. The earth will sooner be breached in boiling sun than we appear before the world, losing our honor. Never will we appear submissive before anyone. Death or freedom, we can choose only one way. Our sisters cure our wounds by their songs. The eyes of the beloved arouse us to the feat of arms. If hunger gets us down, we'll gnaw the roots. If thirst harasses us, we'll drink the grass dew. We were born at night, when the she-wolf whelped. God, nation, and the native land, we devote ourselves only to their service.